having allowed the surface to dry, it's time to mask all adjacent areas to protect against possible overspray which could occur during the spray deck application. While this is being done, we'll return to the cracks which we routed out earlier and continue the application of the crack suppression material. We're applying the activator as a primer to ensure proper adhesion of the polymer acrylic emulsion. This mastic material is then applied and covered with a nylon mesh, the purpose of which is to provide a flexible bridge over the crack. The mesh is embedded in the material and allowed to set. The material having set, we'll return to the work area to mix the base coat following the instructions in the reference manual. The base coat supplies the color for the grout lines, so we'll tint it accordingly. In this instance, we're applying the base coat with a trowel to a depth of approximately 1/16 of an inch. A squeegee may also be utilized for this purpose. To start, we're doing what we call a dry run, pre-placing the template in order to determine the size of the required border, since we want the border to be as even as possible around the area where it's to be applied. Now that the border size has been established, we'll mask off the border area. That completed, we'll go to the workstation and mix the chosen color for the field. Although we're employing the South Crete Tint on-site process, remember that pre-colored bag mix is also available. Exact measurement of material components is essential to ensure color uniformity. Now that our mixing has been completed, we're ready to spray over our pattern templates. After loading our hopper sprayer, we'll shoot a brief spray into our bucket of material to test our spray consistency. Everything looks fine, so now we're ready to spray. Remember to shoot at a 90-degree angle, directly perpendicular to the surface, to avoid contamination of the grout lines. The templates are sprayed one at a time, then removed, picking up each side, then lifting the template straight up from the middle. The template is now walked down a previously masked runway to the wash area, where it will be washed free of material and returned to the network. When the material has set to the extent that it may be walked upon in stocking feet without any surface damage, we remove the masking paper we previously applied to the borders and, in turn, mask off the field so that it's protected from overspray of the contrasting border color. Once all masking paper has been removed, the deck must be swept and all remaining debris removed by a blower. At this point, South Crete High Gloss Clear Sealer is rolled on, using a 3/4 inch phenolic core roller cover, taking care to avoid any puddling. Around the edges, we're cutting in with a brush. The entire area is sealed now, and our South Crete pattern template system installation is complete.